Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. Today we are going to learn how I designed this turban head wrap. If you're ready, keep watching. I'm going to be using this bonbon fabric for this project. So guys, if this is something you're interested on, definitely keep watching. If you guys have been following my tutorial, you probably know the basic Now guys, I'm going to cut the second piece. You can decide to cut them at the same time. Don't be like me. After that guys, I'm just going ahead and fold these two pieces into half, right side facing each other, and sewing here. Now guys, the sewing is done. I'm just going ahead and flip them inside out. The next step guys is to mark the midpoint of these two pieces. Then I went ahead and take my hand needle and sew the permanent gather stitch. It's not at the permanent. I'm going to remove this stitch going forward. I'm going to continue with sewing the temporary stitch like you see me doing it here. Video back then, if you want to see it, you can go and revisit it. I'm gonna put the link on my description box so that you can go and look how I do this crossing, so that you can understand the process. I'm just going to pin down the point where I'm going to start with the stitching and where I'm going to end my stitching. Now that I'm done pinning, I'm going ahead to show you where I'm going to do the stitching. Now guys, sewing is done. I'm just going ahead and sew the last part at the back of this turban head wrap, where I'm also going to do the gather stitch, the permanent gather stitch. If you are looking for anything turban, definitely be sure to subscribe on the channel so that you get more video, and ring that little notification bell so that you won't miss any content I post. Definitely leave the comment on the comment section down below. I will definitely reply to you. Now guys, I'm just going ahead and prepare my hand needle and thread and start sewing the permanent gather stitch until I reach to the top of the turban head wrap. Now here guys, the first part of the turban head wrap is done. You can decide to use it like this, or you can extend. Ahead and fold these two pieces together, then I cross them like this. After that, I'm going ahead and pin down so that these two pieces won't move, so that it don't move when I start with the stitching. I'm going ahead to do a little stitch to secure. Now guys, I'm going ahead and attach my band to the main turban body. I'm going to pin down right at the center front of this turban body. I'm going to pin them together like this. After that guys, I'm going ahead and pin the circumference line together with the band, and I'm going to continue pinning all around. I'm done with the stitching. I'm going ahead and trim the excess thread so that it's look beautiful inside and outside. Now guys, the turban is ready. I'm happy. I'm really happy with the outcome. I'm just going to put it on my mannequin hat so you can see the final product. Now guys, the turban is ready. It's beautiful. I'm just going to show you on my mannequin hat. If you have something to ask, leave a comment. I will definitely come back to you. Thank you for watching guys. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.